In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the effects section in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tutorial, but it's really helpful if you're trying to enhance your edits, add creative transitions, or explore visual effects inside your project without wasting time searching through menus. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut PC app on your computer. Once CapCut launches, you'll see the main dashboard or home screen where your recent projects are displayed. The next step is to open the project you want to work on. You can either choose an existing project from your list or start a new one if you want to practice while following along. After your project loads, take a look at the top menu inside CapCut. This is where you'll find different editing options organized across the interface. Now click on Effects in the top menu. That will take you directly into the Effects section, where you can browse available effects and start applying them to your video. If you're editing a timeline, this is the area you'll use to add stylized looks, motion effects, or other enhancements that help your content stand out. Once you're inside the Effects section, you can continue exploring different categories and choose the effect that fits your video best. It's really that simple. Open CapCut, load your project, and click Effects from the top menu to get started. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.